Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can generate your secret key on the one password website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, has a get to your unique secret key. Your secret key is generated by your own device. It's yours alone, never shared. So as you can see now, this is the description. You have to read this carefully. And after that, simply you have to click on the generate secret key. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, simply has the key is provided. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the save PDF, and let's click on the save PDF. And now the PDF is saved in my documents. Now as you can see now, the PDF is downloaded in my device. So this is what and this is how you can create your secret key. And now simply you have to click on the next, and after clicking on the next, you will be moved forwarded to the next options. So in this way you can generate your secret key on the one password website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. Keep in mind that you have to keep your secret key safe and easily accessible. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.